Hi friends, it's Nirmal from Nandanam Exotics, and in today's episode we'll be looking at a beautiful flowering bulb called as a Eucharis lily or an Amazon lily. So stay tuned and see how we can care for this beautiful plant. So before we get into the details of the video, I'm reminding all my new viewers to kindly subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, share this content with other like-minded people, and overall support the channel. So Amazon lily or Eucharis lily is a wonderful plant that can be grown both as a foliage plant as well as a flowering plant. The leaves are very pretty and can be used as an indoor foliage plant year-round. Eucharis amazonica, or the Amazon lily as it is commonly known in cultivation, is a flowering bulb that belongs to the family Amaralidaceae. It's a popular choice for gardeners and landscapers for its beautiful foliage that the plant maintains year-round, and also for the pristine white pendant flowers they produce both during springtime as well as winter. So just like the Amaryllis bulbs that we are used to during Christmas and New Year time, this is also a subtropical flowering bulb that prefers kind of hotter climate for a proper growth. This plant is native to Peru and requires strictly tropical conditions to grow properly. They can be grown in mild wintered areas where the plant might recede back into the bulb during winter season, but in tropical climates they can grow year-round. You can grow these lilies directly in the garden or soil if you do not have a strong winter. You can also grow them in earthen or plastic pots, but make sure to repot them whenever they outgrow the pot. They should be planted in a well-draining soil with a lot of organic matter. Occasionally, mulching the topsoil with compost or leaf litter can also promote healthy growth. They flower once a year from mature bulbs, and the flowers last for a couple of days. You can see those striped patterns on older blooms. The flowers are pristine white with a hint of yellowish green color in the center. They are very fragrant and so beautiful. Friends, I do have a lot of videos in my channel, and I will also post or leave a link to relevant videos from the channel in the notification bar, so always check that out whenever you watch my video. The plant is also popular for its beautiful wide dark green leaves that they maintain for the entirety of the year. So if you are growing your lily indoors, it's recommended to occasionally clean the leaves using a wet sponge. So if you're growing them outdoors, make sure to give them a good shower whenever you water your plant. They prefer to be grown in shaded parts of the garden. If you give them too much light, that could scorch the leaves and also prevent the plant from blooming. Friends, I have an Instagram account which is Nandanam_exotics. A link to that is in the description below. Check it out, and if you have any more further inquiry or if you want to contact me directly, you can message me there. They are tropical plants that expect moist soil year-round, so make sure you water your lilies on a regular basis. As we discussed earlier, these plants grow from bulbs, and in my case I have currently 3 growing points that are mature enough to bloom. So whenever you repot your plant, you can take divisions and propagate them as well. They can also be grown from seeds, but that's a much more time-taking process. You can also fertilize your lilies once in every 3 months to boost their overall growth. You can use all-purpose garden feeds for this. Last but not the least, avoid overwatering. So friends, I hope the video was useful today as well as entertaining. I hope you consider growing this beautiful plant in your collection. Let me know in the comments below if I missed some points about this plant. Until next time, it's Nirmal signing off.